Hi guys, it's been a while. Haven't seen you guys in probably over a month's time. So, I do have some Bariatric Pal stuff to go over. I did receive this last week. I have the Bariatric Pal different soups. Whole bunch of different soups in this variety pack. So you can buy this and have a tasting of a whole bunch of different soups. This chicken with pasta in there, cream of tomato, cream of broccoli, beef bouillon, chicken bouillon, cream of chicken, and tomato bouillon. That sounds interesting to me. So I'm gonna try a couple of these. I also did get the Bariatric Pal hot chocolate. I know a lot of you guys have asked about the hot chocolate. So we are gonna give this a shot. We're gonna taste it, see how it is. I have some Pampered Chef cups here to make the soups for you guys. We're gonna try these together. I have high hopes for them. I hope they're good, especially for you guys newbies coming off of surgery and looking for high protein things to try. So I do have the hot chocolate here in my cup. I opened a packet from in there. Inside the hot chocolate there is 7 packets. Each one of the packets has 80 calories. 3 carbs with 1 fiber, 2 sugars, and 15 grams protein. So that's pretty good on the protein. Sounds quite amazing. I have high hopes. Hopefully this is going to be good. Hot chocolate. And let's see, what do we have to add? 6 to 8 ounces. So that's like 3/4 of a cup. I do have some steaming hot water here. So let us put this in. I'm not going to add too much because I don't want it watered down. I'm going to go more on the 6 ounce. I did fall the other day and hit myself on the ice. In case y'all are wondering. I'm okay though. I'm fine. Smells very good. No marshmallows, but we can't have the marshmallows. But I would love to see a marshmallow in there. It would just make it all the more like childhood memories. Speaking of childhood memories, yesterday I did get a case of the Strawberry Fairlife from Sam's Club. So good, guys. Totally takes me right back to Quick, Strawberry Quick from when you were a kid. So yummy. Okay, the hot chocolate smells yummy. Oh, tastes very good. Maybe I could even use a little more water. Not at all. I thought it was going to be weak tasting. For some reason, I thought it's not going to be sweet. Oh, very good. I would have no idea that I was not drinking Swiss Miss. I could even actually add a little bit more water. I went on the 6 ounce side. It's kind of... It's not like watery and runny. Like normally I would only make my hot chocolate with milk. But this calls for water, so I'm going with the water. Less calories. You could probably do it with a protein shake and make it even double the protein. But very good. If you're craving hot chocolate, and this, again, what was it? I think 15 grams of protein for this. Only 2 sugars. 3 carbs minus the 1 fiber, so only 2 on the carbs. I would totally drink this. I definitely give this a thumbs up. Check out the Bariatric Pal hot chocolate. Very, very good. I'm shockingly surprised. I expected it to be like watery and not super sweet. This is kind of tastes just like the Swiss Miss. I would actually think that the marshmallows were in there and melted. Very, very good. I'm pleasantly surprised on that one. All right, moving on. We're going to move on to the Bariatric Pal soups. I'm not even sure what to think of this. I'm not having very high hopes. I'm thinking, I hope it's good, but I'm not sure. All right. Like I said, they're all different packets in there. So I'm going to, that tomato bouillon, it's just tomato broth, just... I'm not going to try that one, though. I'm going to try the more fancy. I'm going to try the cream of broccoli. I got the Pampered Chef scissors because I know y'all will yell at me if I use my teeth. All right, so I'm gonna take this, put the package into a mug, add 6 to 8, same thing. Pour contents, add 6 to 8, stir well, this says to microwave, but I'm just gonna add the hot water. I'm gonna add the hot water and then I'm gonna let it set momentarily. So I have little, again, my Pampered Chef one, so it has the line right on there, so I can add it. I'm gonna go light. I'm gonna go on the 6 ounce edition because I don't want to water it down. I want to get the true. And then I'm gonna move on to another one and I'm gonna let it set for a minute. I put it in there, kind of a little lumpy on the top. That could be because of me, the way I added it. Maybe I should have added a little water, stirred it, and then added more. It seems to be getting a little thicker as it sets. It doesn't smell bad. It's not overly strong. This one, again, is the cream of broccoli. I'm going to let that set for a moment. Maybe as it sets, it'll get more flavor. I'm going to move on to the chicken soup with pasta. And y'all know we ain't supposed to have pasta, but since Bariatric Pal's putting it in there, I'll give it a shot. It's all powder, so I don't really see any pasta in there. I'm gonna add the water slower this time. Maybe it won't clump if I just add a little bit of water and then add more instead of adding all of it. Oh, there is a little bit of noodles in there. By a little bit, I mean like a sprinkle. Don't get overly excited. It's not Lipton cup of noodles. But I'm going to put it in there. And again, I'm going to see the noodles are, well, I can't really show you. Is broth on the bottom and there is just a couple noodles on the top. Not much. Doesn't smell bad. I'm going to put that one aside also and I'm going to let it set. We want to get the full flavor from these. And let's see, do we want cream of tomato? The chicken, beef, and tomato bouillon are pretty much basic. We have a cream of chicken or a cream of tomato. I'm going to go with the cream of tomato, only because I'm curious. The other 4 I'm going to leave in there because I'll probably do a giveaway of the rest of the box. Cream of tomato. Opened it up, it kind of tastes like cardboard. But give it a fair shot. Again, I'm going to add a little bit, kind of try to make it a paste. Rather than adding, when I added the first one, it kind of got a little clumpy. So I'm trying to get the clumps out. Trying to work the clumps out and then add, I don't know how this one's going to taste, but it kind of looks like my Campbell's tomato soup when I add milk to the condensed tomato soup. I don't know. Let's see what it's going to do. I added the rest of the water. And like the rest of them, I'm going to put this aside and I'm going to let it set momentarily. And we're going to go back and we're going to give it a shot on the cream of broccoli. It may have thickened a little bit. It's not super watery. Let's see, where's my box at? Oh my Lord, guys. Look at the nutrition facts. The nutrition facts I need a magnifying glass to see because I'm never going to be able to see that. Let's see, the beef bouillon, cream of broccoli, nutrition facts. Calories, I believe it says 80. 0 on the fat. 2 grams of fiber, 4 carbs, and 15 on the protein. So again, Bariatric Pal comes through with the numbers are not bad. I don't know about the taste. I can't say that it tastes like, I can't say that it smells like the Panera's cream of broccoli soup, but I'm going into this with an open mind. Y'all remember when I did those flock chicken strips? All right, let's give this a shot. Cream of broccoli. I didn't expect that, but it does taste like broccoli. It's surprisingly good. It actually tastes like cheddar-y cream of broccoli soup. Little pieces of broccoli are starting to starting to like hydrate. Like there must be dehydrated broccoli in there. I must say I'm pleasantly surprised. I would not have a problem. I wouldn't have a problem eating this cup of soup. That's pretty good. I will give the cream of broccoli a thumbs up. Let's move on to this chicken soup with pasta. Chicken, that's not like a fancy way of saying chicken noodle soup. Chicken soup with pasta. Okay, I can't say that there's much pasta, but that's good because we're not supposed to have pasta. It's very little tiny pasta, like a 1/4 inch maybe, and maybe there's 20 pieces in the whole 3/4 of a cup. It doesn't smell bad. It smells like chicken soup. Let's give this a whirl. The pasta is like a little sponge. I'm kind of glad that there's not that much in there. Chicken soup itself has flavor. It almost tastes like it has a vegetable base to it. It's pretty good. I'm pleasantly surprised again. It definitely surpassed my expectations. It's good. I would have to give it a thumbs up. I would probably buy that for the 15 grams of protein. I'm going to go back to this cream of broccoli because I'm really, really impressed by this one. That is really, really good. I really did not expect it. From looking at it, I kind of thought that's going to taste awful. The cream of tomato really looks like my Campbell's soup with milk in it. Again, these all have water in it. I followed the directions to a T. I went light on the water. They said you could add 6 to 8 ounces. I went more on the 6 side. Same thing. I am very pleasantly surprised. It honestly tastes like my Campbell's soup that I add milk to. I don't get the protein taste on any of these. I'm very, very pleased with all 3 of these. This, if I made the 90-second bread and made a grilled cheese to go with it, I don't know if y'all put in the little magnifying glass 90-second bread. It'll bring it up. It's so easy. You make it in the microwave. Take that out, let it cool a little bit, put your butter, put your cheese, make a grilled cheese out of that, and dip that into this, little wedges. Really good, guys. I must say, all 3 of them that I tried, I would have to give a thumbs up. There's 4 other flavors in here, which are basically the bouillons, and one is a cream of chicken. I would have nothing negative to say. I would give like a 5-star on both of them. Hot chocolate, amazing. The soup's amazing. I am probably going to finish this cream of broccoli, surprisingly, and I'm not even a huge cream of broccoli fan, but this, and the longer it sits, the broccoli pieces are hydrating. Very good, though. If you guys are looking for the soups and you want high protein, definitely get this variety pack. It wasn't even that expensive either. I think maybe like $12, and it comes with like 8 of them in the box. So it's kind of on the same cost of like a Lipton soup box that comes with the 2 packets in it. I must say, I am pleasantly surprised. Very, very, very good. Give these both a try. And the hot chocolate, guys. And it was awesome spending a little bit of time with you guys. I'm still figuring out when I'm going to go live. I'm trying to get all this stuff mailed out. I have so much stuff to mail out. I'm just terrible at mailing. But I will get to all of that and totally give the Bariatric Pal soups a try. And the hot chocolate.